Ever wonder how to write more concise, powerful, and Pythonic code, especially when dealing with data transformations? Today, we're diving deep into Lambda functions, map, filter, and reduce, the cornerstones of functional programming in Python. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be writing elegant, efficient code like a true Python expert. Before we jump in, a quick reminder. Our Discord community is buzzing with developers just like you. It's the perfect place to get help, collaborate on projects, and even practice your soft skills with team challenges. Join us, the link is in the description. Let's kick things off with Lambda functions. At its core, a Lambda is simply a small, anonymous function. Think of it as a function without a name, defined in a single, concise expression. It's perfect for quick, throwaway functions you'll use only once. The syntax is straightforward. Lambda arguments, expression. Notice the crucial limitation. It must be a single expression. No loops, no multi-line statements here. This keeps them lean and focused. Let's see a basic example. Here we define a lambda to double a number, then immediately call it. It's quick, but often lambdas shine when passed to other functions. This brings us to map. The map function applies a given function to every item in an iterable, like a list, and returns an iterator of the results. It's a powerful way to transform entire sequences of data. Let's map our double lambda over a list of numbers. See how concisely it transforms each element. We convert the map object to a list to see the results. Next up is filter. As the name suggests, filter constructs an iterator from elements of an iterable for which a function returns true. The function you provide acts as a predicate, deciding which elements make the cut. Here, we'll filter out only the even numbers from our list using a lambda. Notice how the lambda concisely defines our filtering condition. We've just scratched the surface of functional programming with lambdas, map, and filter. If you're ready for the full advanced masterclass on this topic, where we'll dive into reduce, closures, custom sorting, and the nuanced battle between comprehensions and these functions, the complete video link is in the description below. Ready to solidify your understanding? Head over to our Discord. There, you'll find an auto-assessment quiz, real-world coding challenges, and the complete GitHub repository with all the code from this tutorial. It's the perfect way to practice and integrate these advanced concepts. Today, we unlocked the power of functional programming in Python with Lambda functions, map, filter, and reduce. You learned to create anonymous functions, transform and filter data efficiently, and reduce iterables to single values. We also explored when to use these tools versus comprehensions, tackled advanced concepts like closures and custom sorting, and discussed best practices for readability. If you enjoyed this Python masterclass, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and comment below what you want to learn next. Our next lesson is list comprehensions and generators.